Climate and litigation? How do these two words correspond? Hi everyone, I'm Aya from Amnesty Climate Education. We produce videos where we inform you about social issues connected to climate change and all things related to use and sustainability. We hope to empower you to act upon social concerns surrounding climate change. Today, we're diving into a topic that's making waves around the world: climate litigation. Yep, you heard it right. Lawsuits fighting for our planet's future. But what exactly is climate litigation? Why is it important? And who's behind it? Stick around because we've got all the answers for you. Okay, let's start with the basics. What is climate litigation? Well, it's when individuals, groups of people, or communities take legal action to hold corporations or governments accountable for their role in causing climate change. Think of it as a way of saying, hey, you're messing with our planet and we're not letting you get away with it. These lawsuits can take many forms. Some target big corporations, accusing them of not doing enough to reduce their carbon footprint or misleading the public about the impact of their products on the environment. Others go after governments, arguing that they are not doing sufficient action to address climate change or failing to protect the rights of the citizens to a clean and healthy environment. Now, you might be wondering, why is climate litigation important? Well, for starters, it's about accountability. Holding those responsible for climate change accountable can help spur action and push for a much-needed change. It's also about justice, ensuring that those who are most affected by climate change, often marginalized communities and future generations, have a voice and are heard in the legal process. But here's the thing, climate litigation isn't just about pointing fingers. It's also about finding solutions. Many lawsuits seek not only to hold wrongdoers accountable, but also to demand concrete measures to address climate change, such as reducing emissions, investing in renewable energy, and protecting vulnerable ecosystems. So, who's leading the change when it comes to climate litigation? Well, it's a global movement involving a diverse range of actors, from grassroots activists and environmental organizations to legal experts and even some governments. Countries like the Netherlands and Colombia have seen landmark cases where courts have ruled in favor of stronger climate action. And the momentum is only growing. Just recently, there was a landmark climate litigation at the European Court of Human Rights. On Tuesday, 9th of April, the European Court of Human Rights ruled that the Swiss government had violated the human rights of its citizens through their insufficient effort to combat climate change. The European Court of Human Rights ruled in favour of over 2,000 Swiss women who brought the case to court. They argued that the Swiss government's inaction towards combating climate change put them at risk of dying during heat waves, and that their age and gender made them especially vulnerable to the effects of climate change. With the impacts of climate change becoming increasingly severe and undeniable, more and more people are turning to the courts as a tool for change. So, there you have it. Climate litigation in a nutshell. It's a powerful tool for holding those responsible for climate change accountable, demanding justice for impacted communities, and driving real action to address the climate crisis. But it's also a reminder that we all have a role to play in fighting for our planet's future, whether it's through legal action, advocacy, or simply making more sustainable choices in our daily lives. Thanks for watching, and remember, together we can make a difference. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on all things climate and sustainability. Until next time, take care and stay green.